From afar, you can see a corner of the market lit up by the bright orange-yellow color, the round, plump oranges with light, shiny skin neatly stacked and high-piled like small mountains. The seller is a kind-hearted aunt and uncle. While arranging the oranges, smiling and greeting customers, making the stall more intimate and warm. Picking up an orange, it feels firm in the hand. The gentle aroma spreads. Just hearing it makes you crave it. The seller skillfully splits open an orange to offer to customers. The inside is golden yellow. The orange segments are juicy, the sweet taste mixed with a little sourness. It is truly the famous gank orange of Phu Tho. The atmosphere at the stall is always bustling. Buyers and sellers talk and laugh. Everyone exclaims because of the eye-catching color and delicious taste. There was an old man who passed by and only intended to buy a few oranges to try, but ended up carrying a whole bag full to bring home. Seeing that scene, I couldn't resist. I immediately bought a bag of oranges to bring home, both to enjoy and as a gift for my family. The Phu Tho Canh Oranges at this stall really make me remember them forever. They're delicious, fresh, and have a rustic, simple, and warm soul. They're worth a stop every time I go to the market here.